Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off camera flashlight for taking photos and videos in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. Suppose if you have accidentally or intentionally turned on camera flashlight for taking photos and videos, now you would like to turn off it. Yes, you can do it. What you got to do is go to the camera of your phone here and go to this flash icon and just here select off. Okay, so that flashlight is turned off for taking photo. Hereafter if you take a photo, there will be no flash used. Okay, also for video, click on video and for video flashlight is already turned on. So to turn off flashlight, just click on this flash symbol and it will be turned off. Now you can record video without any flash. Okay, so in this way you can easily turn off flashlight for taking photos and videos in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.